How to use a clip-on flash while making the most of natural light from a window to beautifully photograph a woman. In this video, I will explain how to use a clip-on flash to showcase a natural look in a room with light from a window. This room is a nice antique studio with a window on the right side. First, let's photograph the subject using only the natural light from the window. If the subject is facing forward, the light will come from the side and make the face dark. In this kind of case, if we move her face towards the window, the light will hit it diagonally and we can photograph her nicely. However, if we want to take a photo with her facing forward, it will be difficult to get a beautiful picture with a side light since it will darken her face. So let's use a clip-on flash to make her face brighter. If we point the flash directly, it will end up very obvious that we use a flash. The light will be hard and will waste the lovely atmosphere we have in this studio. We'll make the light softer by bouncing it off of the ceiling. You can make the light softer by bouncing off the ceiling, but the light will spread all over and make the entire room bright, so you won't get any of the light from the window. Next, we'll try bouncing the flashlight from the right wall. The light is soft and the light from the window matches well to create a nice water. However, it's too bright overall. Lastly, we use a clip-on flash as an off-camera flash, attach it to a stand, and bounce it off of the right side of the window. This makes the light from the window bigger and it creates an image of a large window with natural light. It looks even more natural than the last photo when we bounce the light off the wall. This photo is wonderful. To use a flash to add to the light of a window and make it look natural, it's important to face either the clip-on flash or the off-camera flash towards the window and match the quality of light. Especially when photographing women, it's important to have a soft light. This is a beautiful way to make it look like you are shooting through a large window.